Hello. I'm gonna rush because under 5 minutes is very hard to do for video. So let's show you the feature I did using on marker clicker, like click listener thing. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to rush. Um, okay, so if I click anywhere else, as you can see, I hope you can hear the click noise. What's it called? It's not centering the map, but the feature I implemented is that when you click on the marker, it does implement a map. Okay. Um, and here you go. Like I'm clicking on these markers and it's working. But if I click here, it's not a marker, but it's close. It still won't work. But here, here, and here. See? So it's working pretty efficiently. The other I tried to implement a second thing because I thought that first one wasn't enough. I wanted to implement a thing where if I look up Bangkok, it would auto center there. Didn't get to work, but it was a thing I worked on, and my code is there just for evidence and stuff like that. But yeah, those are the two things I featured. I don't know if you want to see the code, but I did it with a set on marker click listener. And basically I found this, figured out that I could use a map controller to set it the center at whatever position that was clicked of the marker, which is perfect for my goal, right? And this is the other way I try to do the other thing. I don't want to go under 5 minutes. So I'm not going to explain it to you unless you want me to some other time. But this is how I try to do it. But the problem is I couldn't even troubleshoot it because it kept crashing. Like this is the search. This is for the search file. Sorry, I didn't explain that very well. Like the search thing I was trying to do, where when you search, it should also center. It didn't end up working, and I don't know why. It would just crash every time I search it. That's why it's commented out. Because if I tried searching right there, and when I did with the emulator, it would have crashed. So that is that. So let's see what else things my video need. Okay. Brief demo of the feature, yeah. And then show the online sources I used. UK. So here. Online sources. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so this is the main one I used. Very helpful. It uses markers just like we do. It uses what's it called? It uses the get position. It uses what's it called? It uses damn, I need to move this to the way. It uses the IMAP controller and it uses field. It basically was exactly how we do things. So I could actually there's like applicable like controller things I could use and like I don't know the flow just seems so like reasonable because it's stuff I'm used to. This stuff or other things I used for their algorithms and I just wanted to see the ways they did things. It was mainly just I needed help with the maps and I needed help with like markers and drag and stuff like that and just try to how to receive positions and use them efficiently, like how to get the position out of a marker and stuff like that, and how to manipulate the map. And these are the main sources I use, but this is the most efficient one, best one. And let's see. What else do I have to do? Can I go back, please? Where is it? Discuss a challenge you overcame. That dude, for 2 days, I was using single tap confirm helper because I just didn't know how to do it, right? So I was using this feature that was like the one that when you click on stuff, it does something. So I was like, okay, if I can make it so that this geo point, whatever the geo point is equal to markers per geo point, like a given marker that already exists, or like even if you click on a marker, right, an info thing comes up. So I was trying to do like if there's an info thing that currently exists or is open, then set the center to that spot. And all of it just is very hard to use because it wouldn't be able to implement it here. Like I had to carry things over. I even tried like reopening and like recreating markers and using them. Okay, I might go over the 5 minute line. I'm gonna stop talking. But basically, yeah, that was my biggest thing was using stuff from place and like using outside things and trying to carry them over, like using the search method and stuff. Like basically like utilizing pre-existing things into to make something new was just very hard to carry over and how to like the syntax was just it frustrated me a lot. I spent like literally 2 days just on that part and learning. But the best thing is like I found pre-existing things and I made the best of it and I basically made adjustments to what already existed, which is a really cool thing I learned. Like I had to like just look through all this stuff and see how they called on each other and how they used each other and intertwine so then I could optimize them, and then do the same thing that they do, which is great. And then let's see, and then verify work is pushed to GitHub right now. It is, but I don't, if I'm supposed to do that in the video, does that mean it wants me to go to Git, commit, and I will. Okay, all right, MP3 done. Commit and push. select files. Okay, so there's nothing. Okay, yeah. So I guess this is me confirming there's nothing to change. Okay, cool. All right, perfect. So I think that is it for me. I think I'm looking through everything, and 20 points for submitting appropriate idea. Yeah, early. Yes. 20 minutes for progress. I did two different ideas, so yes. 20 minutes, and one of them works. So 20 points for demonstrating your ability to work independently. I showed you the sources. 20 minutes for the challenge. I did that. 20 points, minutes, and 10 points for pushing your work to the GitHub repository. Yes, and then 10 minutes for the video. Hopefully, it's under 5 minutes. And thank you so much, and have an amazing semester. I love you all. Good.